guys, it is day 7 of Vlogmas, and I'm actually going to be cooking today, like for real, for real. It's lunchtime. I'm taking my lunch break, and I'm going to be chopping up some veggies because I'm going to make braised beef shank for dinner, and it has to sit in the oven for like 3 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and get my vegetables all prepped so that I can brown the meat and the veggies and get it all in the oven after I pick up my daughter from school this afternoon. So, and then it'll sit in the oven at a relatively low temperature for 3 hours at least, or until tender. So yeah, I'm just going to be chopping some vegetables, onions, carrots, celery, and lots of garlic. So you'll probably see this on fast forward because it's kind of boring, but it's time to chop the vegetables. The vegetables are all chopped. I'm just going to stick this in the refrigerator because I have plenty of room, and it's going to be a little while. They'll be fine at room temperature though, especially in the winter. And now I'm just going to peel and slice up a bunch of garlic. All done. Some garlic, all the veggies chopped very roughly because they are going to go in the oven for quite a long time. And that frees me up to just concentrate on browning my beef shanks and everything else when I get back. So it's all ready. Prep's all done. And I think I'm just going to make myself a turkey sandwich for lunch because why not? Don't have many leftovers and I don't feel like going out. So. Okay, so dinner is finally done. It's about 7 o'clock, and I started cooking at 3:15 maybe when I got home, but it's been in the oven for a long time. So I made some polenta to go with our braised beef shanks. I will include the recipe that I kind of sort of followed down below. That was something I found on the internet. I toasted up the rest of our baguette from yesterday a little bit, warmed it up, toasted it up a little bit. I'm going to try some of the bone marrow on mine, but we do have some leftover cheese because I don't think the kids will want to even try that. Probably not my husband either. But that's it. I'm going to serve the meat and gravy, well, sauce, not really gravy, over the polenta, and we're gonna eat. It's time for the Best Friends Advent Calendar, featuring truffle.
There's like 3 types of Cheetos in here.
That was the mix.
Look at it. Hold on. Sit back down. I never said you could jump up on me. Okay, so we're going to get you this one first. It's all circular and stuff. I wouldn't eat this.
Well, Truffle says it
All right,
smells
Truffle.
delicious.
Sing for us. Again. Woof. 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 Speak. Speak. Good girl. That's a good sing. All right. Oh, it's crunch, crunch, crunch. Are you going to dance for us, Truffle? Give me a second. Spin. 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 Spin the other way. Spin the other way. Spin the other way. Sit. Pretty sit. That's a good girl.
Thanks for joining us for day 6. No, day 7. Really? Is it day 7? I don't know if I've even said that this time of Vlogmas. And if you enjoyed watching me, let me know. And we'll see you tomorrow.